Hi, we have another set of babies to show to you today. Birdie blessed us with a set of twins yesterday, and she did a great job. She had them even during a break of mine. So at about 7 p.m. is when they were born, and I was done with chores, didn't have to milk or feed babies till about 9, so I could give her and the babies my undivided attention, and I could finish up things later as I needed to. So she did great. She also gave us a buck for my friend Sandy in the Bend area that's been waiting since last year when she gave me 2 does. So she gave me a beautiful buck for Sandy, and she gave me a doe to keep for myself. So we will show you those now. Enjoy the video. Well, there is Birdie's babies. She doesn't look like she has any more. I'm watching her, but she had the little boy that my friend Sandy was wanting and a little girl for me. So we'll show them when they're up walking around more, but they just had their first bottle and their Bosie shot, and hopefully they're going to take a nap now. Well, here they are at 12 hours old, and they had their second bottle about 6.5 hours ago, so they're ready to eat again. So they had their morning bottle. Hopefully they're going to go to sleep. Oh, goodness. Goodness. So there they are, 12 hours old. They did good on their 6.5 hour nighttime. There's the little boy. Good as a bug. And there's the little girl. And go back to sleep now, hopefully. They'll be ready to go to the nursery. Okay. They're ready for another bottle. Here. It's a nice sunny day, so they just had their second bottle. They're coming out to the nursery, so we're going to see how the other babies like them. So here's their introduction. Hi, babies. Look what I have. Look what I have. What's that? Oh, it's okay. Okay. Oh, they're happy to have some friends, I think. So there's our crew. Getting more all the time. And yes, I think the new boy's bigger than everybody, even though the others are a few days older. And we did name all the other ones. We have Patches, and we have Scotty. Oh, that one's Panther, the one that's all black. And there's Patches with the white patch on the side. And then you know Boots. And the one, where is he? He has white ears and he's bopping the other one's head. That's Scotty. And the new little girl that is going to be staying here is Nightingale. I can see Nightingale. She has white on her head, brown with white on her head, and we haven't picked the name for the boy yet. And he has what we call moon spots. He's got other spots, but like these little black ones, none of them have moon spots. But the boy has moon spots. Moon spots are not white and they're not black. They have to be some other color. And so if you come back out here, he has moon spots because he has tan spots. He has some white ones, but he has tan spots that are basically round, but can be different shapes. But moon spots are not white and they are not black. So he does have what we call moon spots. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button if you like our videos. And if you hit the subscribe button, and you can go to our channel and see all our other ones. But this is our second set of babies out here. And before too long we'll have more, and these boys will be outside. The little girl Nightingale will have to stay in because we only have one girl, darn it. But we'll have more, so she'll have some friends to go out with soon. So I'll talk to you later, and have a great day. Thanks for watching.